to watch the production record of HOYECHI large snowman-shaped lamp. This snowman shape is made of iron frame and welded with carbon dioxide shielded welding to ensure the stability and durability of the product. We can see from the video that the shape of the snowman is carefully designed by the shape designer, and it is detachable and easy to install. It greatly reduces the transportation cost. Considering that the product needs to be placed outdoors, each of our iron frames will be electrostatically painted to ensure that the frame will not rust and can be used for a long time. The matter uses UV-resistant materials to ensure that it will not fade or change color after being placed for a year or even longer. For the bulb, we use IP65 waterproof bulbs, which are not afraid of the harsh outdoor environment. Especially in cold areas, it can also ensure its normal use. If you are also interested in this shape lamp, please contact us. Thank you for watching.